Looking for an amazing hosting a discount code through which you can save amazing amount of money, then you're at the right place, because in this video I'm going to reveal two of the finest coupon codes and a step-by-step tutorial on how you can get as much as up to 91% discount. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be led to a page like this. I'm going to close it, Cloudy AI, so you can see the most of it. But to avail this amazing coupon code offer, make sure to click on the link in the description. Now you are led over here. The first thing I like to tell everyone is hosting is amazing. 30 days money back guarantee. Well, at all of the plans, which is just an amazing feature by Hostinger. If you scroll below, now look around on the reviews. 69,253 reviews on Trustpilot. Now Trustpilot is an industry independent review based website. Now let's see what people are actually saying regarding Hostinger on them. So if you click on the link in the description, you can even check yourself on the reviews of people regarding Hostinger before you avail this amazing coupon code offer. So now scroll below, look around. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star reviews over here. I'm very satisfied. You can see yourself regarding the reviews. Now this is an amazing thing. Okay, see another 5 star reviews over here. So the majority of the reviews are 5 star. I'm not saying that they didn't got any bad reviews. They got some 4 star and 1 star reviews as well. But the good thing is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, which is just an amazing thing. Now you can see Hostinger is being featured on almost all of the famous websites around in the internet. Hostinger also supports Hostinger Horizons, which is an AI tool to create websites. And now coming to the most popular part is Hostinger's WordPress support. Now Hostinger support WordPress. If your website is on WordPress, Hostinger can support it. Even my own blog is on WordPress, and Hostinger can support it. If you just simply click on it if you want to build this. And Hostinger also has a migrate to Hostinger service. So if you are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger has a dedicated website migration service, and you can claim the coupon code discount of this as well. Just make sure to click on the link in the description and then follow the step-by-step tutorial as I'm explaining to you. You can see migrate for free. Whether you have one website or 100 websites, they're gonna manage all that to free of cost. Just compare it competitors. That is a very amazing deal. Now scroll below and scroll below. Now coming to the main part, and that is on the plans. All of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, cancel anytime, 24/7 support, and you can claim up to 91% discount on the business plan. The premium and the cloud setup plan has slightly less discount, but make sure to click on the link in the description to get this amazing discount. So select choose plan, but I recommend you to do a thorough search of all the plan features, functions. Personally, I'm using the business plan, and that is very good, and you can get the most 91% discount over here. But you can choose other plans as well as per your convenience and the requirements. Once you select the choose plan, now you are being redirected over to another page, and on that page you have to select your billing period. Hosting could offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. But these are special, amazing coupon code deals, especially for my audience. So I want you guys to take the maximum advantage of it by opting for the best value at 48 months. But again, you can offer other as per your budget. But 48 months is going to save you the maximum amount of money. Now you can claim a free domain for free from over here. The free domain is only valid for the first year. So make sure to select it one for the 1 year. After this, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here and you're going to see that your price got a further discount. Now you can see with this coupon code, you're going to see 48 months off at 79% and then 10%. 79 plus 10, 89%, plus additionally daily backup, free domain for the first year. So that is going to save you more than 91%. And there is another coupon code as well. So you can use either of the coupon code, but both of the coupon codes are mentioned in the description of this video along with the special discounting. Make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal. You're going to see that applied over here. After this, move on to the continue. And once you move to the continue, you may be asked to log in at Hostinger or need to create a new account at Hostinger. So I'm going to log in with my Google account and get back to you. So I just logged in and I'm here at the last part, and you have to write your billing details over here. My coupon code is applied over here, and once I write my billing details over here, simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment methods. Once I move on to the payment method, you can see over here that hosting will offer you variety of payment method: credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So crypto, PayPal, almost everything is covered. Credit cards, Google Pay, and they also offer country specific programs as well. So I'm going to simply select add a new payment method, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment to enjoy my coupon code details. So just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years, and my experience is very good, which is why I recommend you to enjoy this amazing limited time deal from Hostinger. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code and follow the tutorial to enjoy this amazing discount from Hostinger. So good luck with your 91% discount. Good luck.